let's talk about the cultures. How do you think a company's culture impact to a fresher, honestly? Let's talk about freshers over here, the newly hired people. How much does a company's culture impact, and what should they do to contribute towards the culture?
Okay. Culture is one of the most misused term. Okay.
Okay.
And, I will sort of try to break it down and might not be exactly relevant to the people who are listening to it, but I'll just try to simplify it so that what are the 2-3 things people should look out when assessing the culture of an organization. Now, what do you mean by culture?
Okay.
Culture typically means something. When I walk into an organization's office or when I talk to anybody from that organization, what is the vibe that I'm getting?
Correct.
Vibe is a Gen Z word, probably your audience will
Vibe matters.
Vibe matters. Your people will be able to relate to it.
Yeah.
So, hence coming back to my first point, research about the company.
Okay.
You have enough and more platforms in today's day of social media and LinkedIn and Glassdoor. Very unused platform, I would say, that I still feel that, anybody who's in the college, while LinkedIn is making a lot of headway into people who have some experience.
Yeah.
But it's a very good idea for even freshers to use platform like LinkedIn.
Absolutely.
That is a very good insight into a company's culture. Go to the company page or the LinkedIn page. What are the kind of posts that the company is putting?
Correct.
Glassdoor is a very unfiltered, I would say, where you get very unfiltered reviews about the company.
Correct.
So research on Glassdoor about what is it that employees have to say.
Exactly.
There will be mostly people who are not happy are the ones who put experience on Glassdoor.
Yeah.
Take it with a pinch of salt, but take it. I mean, consume that data.
Correct.
It will give you some insight into what is it like to work at that company. There are sections where people highlight what would you recommend the company for and what would you not recommend the company.
Correct. The pros and the cons.
Correct.
Yeah.
So do that research. People should do that research.
All right.
Third and the most major, where you can get red flags or green flag about whether you should join an organization or not, is the interview process. Or if you are an intern, that's a great way to assess the culture of an organization.
Okay.
How is that place making you feel? Is that putting you in a space of anxiety and intimidation? Is that putting you in a space of comfort and pushing you to, do better in what you're actually doing? Or is it an intimidating kind of place, not welcoming to freshers? Talk to people who have been with that company, your alums, students. Reach out to people randomly on LinkedIn. People do that to me all the time. They message me on LinkedIn. And, if the message is good, I actually engage in a conversation. Okay, so people are willing to help. Explore. So these are probably your 2-3 channels: LinkedIn, Glassdoor, talking to your alums, talking to the current employees or ex-employees who have been there with the company. That will give you a very good insight into, what the company culture is.